Welcome to the in front of me HUAWEI Nova Y70, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings, and after that tap on the sounds and vibration. Then you'll see here the ring volume panel, and just to change ringtone volume, swipe to the left or to the right side this white dot on the volume panel. Also you can make it by the second way, but first here be sure that you have selected ringtone, and after that by press up or down volume button you can also adjust ringtone volume of your device, and you can make it by this way just by swap to the up or to the down this volume panel. And that's it. I will thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.